Today I'm going to teach you how to create an anonymous form in Google Forms. This is incredibly useful when you want to gather honest feedback, conduct surveys, or collect responses without tracking who submitted what. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials if you haven't already. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want to create or manage your forms. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. This is where all your recent forms are displayed. Navigate to the Recent Forms section and browse through until you find the specific form you want to make anonymous. Once you've located it, click on it to open the form editor. Now that your form is open, look at the top toolbar where you'll see various options for managing your form. Click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options that control how your form collects and handles responses. Within the Settings menu, you'll see several sections. Navigate to the one labeled Responses, and click the arrow beside it to expand this section. This area controls how Google Forms gathers information from people who fill out your form. Here's where the important change happens. Look for the option that says Collect Email Addresses. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and select Do Not Collect. By choosing this option, you're ensuring that Google Forms won't automatically gather email addresses from respondents, which is a crucial step in making your form truly anonymous. Next, you need to find the Require Sign-in option. This setting typically forces users to log into their Google account before they can submit a response, which would compromise anonymity. Toggle this option off. This ensures that anyone can access and fill out your form without needing to sign into a Google account, maintaining complete anonymity. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Google form to be completely anonymous. Respondents can now submit their answers without leaving any trace of their identity, giving them the freedom to share honest and candid feedback. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.